Hi, I'm Amina from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install your Forever Extend2Fit DLX 4-in-1 car seat in rear-facing mode using the vehicle seatbelt. Before we begin, you'll need to prep your car seat. Remove your infant supports and set them to the side. Next, store your tether strap. Attach the tether hook to the storage location on the back of the car seat. For ease of use, store the lower anchor strap in the forward-facing belt path by attaching the lower anchor connectors to the storage locations marked with an orange label on either side of the car seat. Recline the car seat using the handle at the front of the seat. Move the car seat to one of the 4 rear-facing recline positions. Make sure it clicks into place. If you're using the extension panel for extra legroom, pull on the handle at the front of the seat and adjust it to the desired position. Place the car seat rear-facing in your vehicle. Make sure the base is flat on the seat and at least 80% of the base is on the vehicle seat by checking the blue label at the back of the car seat. Make sure the vehicle is on level ground. Check the level indicator to ensure the bubble is entirely in the blue zone. If it's not, adjust the recline. Route the vehicle seatbelt through the rear-facing belt path marked with a blue label. To easily access the belt path, you can lift the seat pad in the center of the seat. If your buckle is in the outermost position, then route the vehicle seatbelt behind the buckle. If it is in the innermost position, then route the vehicle seatbelt in the front of the buckle. Buckle the seatbelt. Make sure the vehicle seatbelt is flat and not twisted. Lock the vehicle seatbelt. Pull the shoulder belt all the way out and then slowly feed it back in. You should hear a clicking sound. Now, tighten the vehicle seatbelt. Press down firmly in the center of the car seat and pull the shoulder belt to tighten while feeding the slack back in. Test for tightness. Place your hands at the rear-facing belt path and move the seat side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch. If the seat moves more than 1 inch, remove more slack from the vehicle seatbelt, then retest. Recheck the level indicator to make sure it's still in the blue zone. Now you're ready to attach your infant inserts. Move the headrest to the proper position for your child. When buckling your child, be sure the harness straps are at or below the child's shoulders. Now you've installed your car seat.